Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft Security Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Security and press enter. Look for the official Microsoft Security website in the search results. Click on the link to the official site. Once on the site, navigate to the top right corner. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account, click on the Create One link. Follow the prompts to set up a new Microsoft account. Once signed in, return to the Microsoft Security homepage. Scroll down to locate the subscription options. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the selected plan to view more details. Review the features included with the subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your subscription. Enter your payment information as required. Review your order and confirm the subscription. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.